Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again at Float Arts by Elsa. Today, I am going to begin by showing you the dry painting from my previous video. I love the technique I used here. I am going to continue to do that, but on my next video, not on this one. So more texture paintings to come. I am having fun with that technique. Absolutely love it. And I want to show you first, let's take a look at the dry piece. So here she is. And this is a 10 by 20 inch canvas. Look how gorgeous it turned out. So I went in and I embellished it with the gold, as you can see. And tell me, what do you guys think about this? This is an interesting composition. I love the sides. I love how my pour comes over the edge here and then my solid color on the side. And the same thing on this side. It's beautiful. I love it. Tell me what you guys think about this one. Leave your comments in the comment section below. I don't know if I'm going to varnish it or if I am going to use a resin on this piece. I love that you can feel the texture. So we'll see. Give me your ideas. Leave me your messages in the comment section below. I can't wait to read those. And we're going to go ahead and get started. So today, I'm going to go back to revisit my Dutch pour. I am trying to start a series with a 2-color base once again for the springtime. So I'm going to be working with this turquoise blue by Amsterdam. And I am going to be pairing this with titanium buff. So look how beautiful those two look together. And then my flow on the top will be a combination of blues and greens and silver. We'll see how that turns out. So without further ado, meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone, so here we are. And we are working on a 12 by 16 inch canvas. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to flood my canvas. So this side will be the titanium buff. This will be the blue. So we'll go, oh, maybe, what do I want to do? Yes. Yes. I'll do that. Okay, beautiful. I love the color scheme. Let's torch this out a little bit more. Okay, now we're going to begin with our colors. So I am starting with Blue Black Indigo by Atelier. And I am going to be very super light-handed because this color tends to take over. So, let's see. Okay, here we go. Okay, perfect. Perfect, perfect. On top of that, I am adding Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. Next, I have Primary Blue by DecoArt. Okay. Next, I have Manganese Blue Hue by Golden. Next, I have Pearl Glacier Blue by Arteza. So we're going to lighten it up a little bit. Next color, Turquoise Green by Amsterdam. There we go. And last color, this is interesting. Ready? Pearl Chartreuse by Arteza. So we'll see how that turns out. Those are my colors. I love the color palette, to be honest. Let's torch out for air bubbles here. Torch out those air bubbles. Give it a good torch. And we're going to go ahead and begin. I'm not crazy about this piece here. So I am going to, let's see, what can I do? Kind of pull all that out. Okay. So this is how you fix your painting, guys. I haven't done this in a while. Clean your sides. Okay. Okay. And what I'm going to do here is I am going to scoop paint that I have on this side here, and I'm just going to pour that right on top because we can reuse that. Okay. So So here she is, everyone. I am going to take you in for a close-up. Look at the beautiful cells. I love that Chartreuse green by Arteza. Check out the ribbon petals here. Love the contrasting of the two color on the base. The turquoise by Amsterdam and the titanium buff. Absolutely a beautiful color combination. So let's go in, take a look at those cells. Gigantic cells encircling one another's color inside color. Absolutely gorgeous. Check out how it goes down into the center and it just flares into this beautiful petal. Check out the edge there, just lined with those beautiful cells. I love the depth that the Blue Black Indigo by Atelier is creating here. Absolutely gorgeous. Check out that right there. Beautiful. And we're branching up to the top petal. And again, beautiful, gigantic cells. You can see some webbing, some micro cells. Beautiful. Tell me what you guys think about this color combination. I am in love with it. And just leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me here at Float Arts by Elsa. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.